y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you'll stick around for a while. What we're going to do today is we're going to do the treble crochet. And so I've got a chain here. You do the chain, whatever your pattern calls for, whatever you're working with, however wide you want it to be. And so we're going to go into the 5th chain, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to just put my thumb on it, and the previous stitches that I have shown you, we've yarned over once, but in this case we're going to yarn over once and we're going to yarn over twice. So that's what that looks like. Let's say we'll do it again. So here's our loop on the hook. We're going to yarn over once, we're going to yarn over twice. That looks like that. Then I'm going to go into my 5th chain. I'm going to go into the 5th chain. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through just that chain. Now I've got 4 on my hook. That's what that looks like. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to pull through 2. That's what that looks like. Then I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to pull through the next 2. And that's what that looks like. And then I'm going to do my final yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops on the hook. And so that's our first treble crochet. So we're going to do that again. We're going to yarn over once, or we're going to yarn over again. Okay? Then we're going to go into the next chain, or whatever your pattern calls for. We're going to go in there. We're going to yarn over. We're going to pull that through our work, right? And this is what our work looks like. We got 4 on the hook. We're going to yarn over. We're going to pull through the first 2. Then we have 3 on the hook. We're going to yarn over again, and we're going to pull through the next 2. We have 2 on the hook. We're going to yarn over again, and we're going to pull through the final 2. Another treble crochet made. So yarning over twice, going into that chain, yarning over, pulling through, pull through the yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over again, pull through the next 2, then you have 2, yarning over and pulling through. And this is how you make a treble crochet, and I'm going to show you the difference in the height. See right there, I messed up. I started doing a double crochet instead of a treble. I don't work with trebles that often. I do sometimes when I need more height to my work, but the ones I use the most is, what do I use the most? Single, half double crochet, and double crochet is the ones that I use the most. But I do like, other stitches, and they all serve a purpose. Some of it is to get you taller work, some of it is to make it more holy, some of it is to make it lighter, some of it is just pretty stitches. So it's, with the treble crochet, it's maybe half a stitch bigger or something like that. But anyway, this is treble crochet, this is double crochet. All right, I hope you've learned something here today. If you have, please hit the like and subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell with the all so that you get notified on anything new that I post or any lives. It does help you support the channel, and it's free. So thank you so much for your support. Have a blessed day till I see you again.